Hello, YouTube, Facebook. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. I am now on my second job. I'm at Miss Johnson's house. She has been a long-term customer for about 4 to 5 years, and she gets her carpet cleaned about every 4 to 5 months. I'm going to go in here and see exactly what she wants to have us do today in regards to her carpet. I have a lot of repeat customers. That's one thing about the cleaning industry. When you do good work, you'll build a base of repeat clients that will call you repetitively over and over, and they'll also refer you to their family and friends. So that's really great. Then once you clean their carpet, they also refer you to their family and friends as well. So we're going to go in here and meet Miss Johnson. She just had surgery a few months back, and I think she's recovering great, and she's doing real good. She's an older senior citizen, and she's has a good personality, and she's fun to work for. So let's go in here and meet Miss Johnson. Hi, Miss Johnson. How you doing today?
Oh, doing fine.
Doing all right?
Doing pretty good.
Oh, good to see you today.
Yeah.
So I finally get to meet your daughter, huh? This the one?
No, granddaughter.
Oh, this your granddaughter. Hi. How are you?
Yeah, my daughter's at home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she had to go to the hospital this morning.
Oh, she had to go to the hospital
Just for a checkup.
for a checkup? Okay.
Yeah, but she's doing pretty good.
Well, that's good. So what are we going to be doing for you today, Miss Johnson? Same thing?
Same thing.
Okay. So now, did you have a dog again?
No, I ain't had no dog.
No dogs this
Nobody
time.
but me. Woof, 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 me.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, just
Good. I'm Daryl. Nice to meet you. So just going to do this room and then the bedroom, Miss Johnson?
And
We'll,
yeah, that one and that.
we'll do both of them or just this one?
Yeah, both of them.
Both of them?
Huh? Yeah, I guess she took it up. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what happened? You got a little hole in the middle right here.
I don't know.
Oh,
I think it was from that puppy that I had.
from the puppy?
Yeah.
When you get ready, we can fix that.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, we can, I don't have any carpet that looks like this, but we can cut a piece out of the closet, cut that piece out, and then re-seam it in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like glue or something that was on there.
Oh, glue.
And I think he got it and smelled it and started fighting on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
how'd the glue get on there?
I don't know. That was something I guess was in here before I came in.
Oh, I see. And then he just started gnawing at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not that big, so wouldn't be hard to repair.
Right.
And when I get back, I'll see if I have some carpet the same color. That way you won't have that plug in the closet.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't be anything missing. So I'll go get my vacuum cleaner and we'll get this vacuumed up for you, Miss Johnson.
All righty.
All right. Now you did say we're gonna do this bedroom too, right here. Your bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my bedroom.
All right.
The South Valley 467 in Bakersfield. Toledo 63, you got mountain areas running in the 50s and desert locations.
All right. Repeat customer. She lived at one apartment location and she moved over here, and actually she moved twice in the last year. So and she called us back when she moved. So that's Miss Johnson. We're gonna go ahead and get her service ready to start on, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.